All right, good morning. So, a couple of trick things here I'm going to do with Gran Turismo 7 is I'm going to show you a few ways to make some easy, quick cash. Now, these are circuit trainings, so the minimum is 250,000. Don't get mad if you can't get silver or gold. You're not going to do this for a living, and if you're planning on it, then go for those numbers. But for right now, um, just go for what you can do. And bronze is simple enough to do with a controller. Now I have a Logitech steering set system here. Now you can get Thrustmaster or Fanatec or PlayStation, and they all work. Now if you want to get going professionally, then you're going to spend 8 to 10 hours a day playing this racing game. You're as good as your equipment. I now have 1440p monitor, 120 hertz, so that's pretty cool. It's really working for me now. Um, I'm sitting at 33 million credits. I did purchase a 20 million vehicle, and I do a lot of Le Mans and Sardinia, and of course I also do the little rubber band and the tape and all that stuff for Daytona. But they've been patching that quite a bit, and I only do it just to put something down. If I've been racing all day, I'll do that a couple times and just let it race up in case I want to do an engine modification. So don't think that it's a fast way to just make a whole bunch of money and you can be a professional racer. No, you have to put your time and you have to put time and effort into the video game to be good, because there's a lot of turns and brakes. And um, another tip is if you're racing with cruise control or anti-slip on the vehicles, on the tires, you're not going to go very fast. It's going to stop you. So your pedal is going to be the way to go. And also brake. Anti-lock brake system is a lot easier to maintain than the gas, but you can get really good at braking with the pedal or with your foot on the pedal. Just a couple of tips and tricks. My name on Gran Turismo 7 is Original Gangster. I am by no means a gangster at all. My little gang is my kids and their mom. That's our gang. Original Gangster, 1996-97, when Gran Turismo came out, I was the original player of my local group of friends who had it. They're like, "Oh, what is this? You're playing racing?" I said, "Yeah, it's Gran Turismo. It's a sort of racing simulator." It's like, there's no such thing on a PlayStation. I said, "Yeah, let's try it out." So they all started playing, and we all had a little group of guys and gals that would get together on Saturday night and race each other from 6 p.m. till 2 a.m. Pizzas and juices and Dr. Peppers and sodas, and well, there's a soda. But that was the original gangster of me. That's why my name is Original Gangster, not because I'm OG Thug at all. I'm like the weakest person in the world. Yes, I do train jiu-jitsu, but it doesn't mean anything. I'm the weakest person in the world. My gang is mowing a yard. So, anywho, let's get going on this. That's a 3-minute video of me blabbering. Let's play some games.
11,000 credits is going to be the most you can get. One make would be the same vehicle, and random is random. You have to hit go race for it. And that's why I like this game a lot more than before, because you used to be able to only race specific things. See, I've only completed the bronze here, I believe. Yeah, all bronze. So if I were to get all gold, I'd make an extra 800,000. Now, something else is your daily workout. You could literally sit there for about an hour and complete your daily workout and get all your golds, or at least bronze, on the system. So don't let it think that it's not going to work. Willow Springs, one of my most worst tracks ever, because it just really bogged me down. But you got three Big Willows, Streets of Spring Willow, and Horse Thief Mile. And each one maximum payout is 500,000 on each one, so 1.5 million if you spend a couple hours on it. Now you're thinking, oh my God, I don't have a couple hours to waste. Nobody really does unless you do this professionally, but do realize that if you're doing professionally, you need to be really good at it. This quick race actually took me the longest to do, and it was back when we did the Daytona grind. I did spend days racing about an hour, hour and a half every night after the kids went to bed. And I wanted it because the Daytona grind was really heavy. Once I completed it, then I was making all kinds of money with my touring here. Now, any WTC, that is your most payout, okay? But if you look at the difference between this one and this one, you have to use a Group 3 car. So when you're using a Group 3 car, there's a huge chance that these guys are going to be better than you unless you're really good at your circuit training. I can't get above second place. I haven't really tried it in about 300 days. So it's staying right there until I complete it. The GTC World Touring Core 800, you can use this Group 1 car. I like the Group 1 cars because I can actually modify, and it's called Sartega. I'm missing a G, and I can modify it here on the manual. So if I tune this just right, which might be too high, I actually do not have to stop. I can race all 10 laps without pitting for fuel mixture 6 and all that stuff, because all those vehicles are going to pit at least once. And even if you're in 7th or 8th place, by the time you pass that other person up, your player 1 over here, and when they're pitting, you should be right about here. So just consistently keep your power going, maybe see if we get a little more power, enough for the last 2 or 3 laps, and then you'll hit first place. That is where you can get 154,000 credit plus 50% clean record, so it's a little over 200,000 in credits. Yes, you do get more for this one, but it's a lot harder. This one is 10 laps and 950 pp, so you can use Group 1 at full power almost, and you can complete it a lot faster. So each track has different ones. This is one of my more favorite tracks also. That was tough, but succeeded. And I'm at 380% quick race bonus because I cannot get that final lap. What is my record here? Of course, I probably did this like 300 days ago also. So 136,400 is the fastest I've done. Best record? Wait a minute, something's off here. I must have hit it because I got silver. So to hit gold, I gotta shave 2 seconds, 220,000. 220. Now it is doable. Oh no, I don't want to race that. So as you can see, it is possible to hit. I don't get it. How did I get gold here if that's 23.260? Anyways. So no real racing today on this. I'm just showing a couple things here. Laguna Seca is also another one, circuit experience. So that's on a Dodge Viper. This is a really hard track because of that corkscrew. You know what? Just to see what I can do, this is a Group 4 car. Let's see if I can do this. What the heck? I got a new record. Well, there you go. I'm actually right next to gold. A couple little fine tunes and I'll be able to get it. Let's see. All right. I'm gonna retry that. My seat was flipping. There we go. Try that again. That's not bad on the first time. Take the power off here. All right, beginner's luck on that one, but it's just to show you it does take time. I'm pushing myself too much, so it's just learning. Now, sometimes I can't get better than silver. I mean, that's what's gonna happen. I have to live with it and understand that I'm not ego faga. Oh man, the traction control is very important also. Oh man, come on. Come on, coffee. All right, let's go. Sausage. Oh, come on. There you go. I'll do it a couple more times. That was bronze. That's awesome. Let's see if the braking will help me a little bit. Oh, I'm gonna go kick something later. What the heck? I think my finger hit the drift button. Let's go. Well, I'm getting hang of it again. And got hurt. And this is where you just, I'm plateauing. There's really not much I can do. I mean, I can follow myself and see if I can pick anything else up that I messed up. I'm at 200th of a second faster than I normally was. That's why my car is in front of me. A lot of power in this vehicle. Try to do some Laguna drift there. Alright, last attempt, no more. After this one, just to, I mean, that's my best. I can't do any faster. Am I making it? No way. Cool. Oh, you jerk! Oh, my God. I'm gonna go kick a. I don't know what I'm gonna kick. I can't kick anything. So, there you go. Proof that it can happen. 500th of a thousandth of a second away from hitting the best. There's a couple things I can probably do. Let's see. Dang it, freaking sausage. Alright, we're done. Nope, no more. I'm gonna get mad. Alright, so my best record is 37.655. A couple more tunings and I can get it. Just to show you it is possible. So fastest record right now sits with W Punisher. Thank you. You are amazing at 36525. So it is possible to hit those high numbers. Anyways, guys, thank y'all for watching. We'll see you next time.